Do you want to hear what they say when you leave the room? This is the iPhone secret spy mode. Swipe from the top right to the bottom left. This will open up your control center. From here, you want to make sure your volume is turned all the way up. And then right here, you see this ear. Go ahead and tap there. And you'll see live listen at the bottom, but it's grayed out. What you need to do is take your earbud out of its case, or once it's connected, this will light up. Now, all I have to do is tap on live listen. I had to turn it off or I can't record the video. But once I tap there, then I just put my phone face down and leave the room and put in my earbud. Now I can hear everything that's going on inside the room. Now, how far you can go away depends on your earbud. I know with the AirPod Pro 2 that I have, I can be quite a ways from the room and still hear everything that's going on. Let me know if you knew this one.